Life without the skid steer. These are sections of a big sugar pine that I took down in the beginning of summer, and I milled a bunch of it and then forgot that I left these sections down here. Now my skid steer's been broken down for a couple months now, and I'm not sure what it's going to take to get it fixed. So I'm going to try and get this out of here without the tractor. Really, the bottom line is they were almost too big for the tractor anyway. They weighed as much, that the tractor couldn't lift it, and as a result, I ended up pulling out the ones I could, and the ones I couldn't, I left sitting here. So what my thing is now, well, I knew I should have brought a chainsaw. Well, I got my little chainsaw. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook it up to a chain, see if I can't drag it out of here with a 4Runner. Of Hulu's, always ready to lend a hand. What you barking at, Rosie? What you barking at, girl? Are you barking at this old log? Oh, it's okay. It's just an old log. There you go. Life without a skid steer. It does go on. That actually relieves me, because now I know I'm not dependent on getting that skid steer fixed to keep on milling wood to do my projects, the woodworking projects at the store. So good news, I got two more big logs to pull out from down there. Now all they got to do is figure out how I'm going to set up my cable system for the mill to pull it up on the mill. It's got one, but the winch, I need to replace the winch, maybe get new cable, and it's time consuming to get the cable system, to use that for moving the logs up. It's got a pair of ramps that you pull the log up and it rolls up, but it's not that heavy. It dried out pretty good this last year, so I'm thinking it's going to be a possible project that won't give me too much trouble.